All right, so about a third of COVID-19 survivors still deal with symptoms far after they've overcome the virus. Here in Northeast Ohio, one group is offering a ray of hope and a source of support to Black people who are dealing with a long road to recovery.
147 days and counting.
COVID.
Ivanka Hall still carries the stress and symptoms of COVID on her shoulders.
Like an elephant was on my chest.
She's among the many coronavirus long haulers in the U.S.
The brain fog, the muscle aches, the chills, just not being able to remember simple words. And I would get these chills that would start at my feet and go all the way up.
Hall started documenting her initial COVID battle on Facebook starting from day one.
For me, it was using my story to help other people heal.
Hundreds of days later, she's not just using it on Facebook, she's sharing it with others just like her in a COVID-19 support group.
You may have symptoms that mirror other people, like a lot of our symptoms in the group, like, the hair loss, the brain fog, some of the other things that are going on. Like we're able to, the breathing issues, being able to talk about those things and understand, what did you do for it? What was recommended for you? What helped you through this whole process?
We have about 10.
Coordinator Dawn Pullen says the group specifically for Black people meets virtually twice a month, unpacking trauma, normalizing the fear of returning to the public, and educating each other.
This is an opportunity to provide a safe space for them to tell their story and then support, advocate, and educate them about any and everything COVID we can.
Pullen, a mental health professional, will refer some members to therapists and counselors, telling me some in the group still battle depression and anxiety more than a year after defeating COVID. The focus is to ensure people aren't suffering in silence.
It's a great opportunity to support and advocate and to give back to our community and let them know that they're not alone and that people understand and that it's different for our people, for Black people, than it is for other cultures.
And of course, we'll have information about how you can reach out and join that support group on our News 5 app and news5cleveland.com.